Hey there, folks. Tonight we're diving into the often misunderstood world of probation and parole. These systems are meant to offer folks who've messed up a chance to get back on track, all while keeping our communities safe. Sounds like a win-win, right? Now you've got your probation of offender ordinance from way back in 1960 and the Good Conduct Prisoners Probation Release Act of 1926. These laws are like the granddaddies of second chances, giving judges the power to say, all right, instead of locking you up, how about we try something different? The basic idea is this: you did something wrong, you fess up, and in return you get to stay out of the slammer. But here's the catch. You've got to follow the rules. Think of it like your strict aunt offering you a place to crash. You screw up, you're back to sleeping on your buddy's couch. But hey, it's not like they just set you loose and hope for the best. That's where our buddies, the probation officers, come in. These folks are like the referees of the second chance game, making sure everyone's playing by the rules. They're the ones making sure you're showing up for those court-ordered anger management classes or checking in on your progress at that new job. And yes, sometimes they pop in for a surprise visit just to keep you on your toes. Now, you might be thinking, hold on, who's keeping an eye on these probation officers? Well, that's where the judges come in. They're like the principals of this whole operation, making sure everything's running smoothly. They're the ones who hand down those probation sentences in the first place, and they're keeping tabs on how things are going. If someone's not holding up their end of the bargain, the judge can step in and say, all right, back to the drawing board. Section 4, From Ancient Grace to Modern Justice, the Historical Roots of Probation. Believe it or not, this whole probation thing isn't exactly a new idea. Nope, we're talking way back like ancient times. Back then it was more about showing mercy and giving folks another shot. Fast forward a few centuries and boom, probation as we know it starts popping up in the 1800s. It was all about finding alternatives to locking everyone up, and let's be real, that's still a pretty good idea. Section 5. Building a safer tomorrow. The enduring benefits of probation and parole. So there you have it. Probation and parole in a nutshell. It's about giving folks a chance to turn their lives around, reducing those sky-high jail populations, and ultimately creating safer cut communities for everyone. Sure, it's not perfect, but when it works, it's a beautiful thing. And hey, isn't that something worth striving for? That's our show, folks.